my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant your cucumbers for the best success. Here's a clip from the show. All right, next we're going to put in our cucumbers. They are ready to go in. So I dug a hole, there's a little bit of compost and maybe a tablespoon of the organic fertilizer in the bottom. And the cucumbers, just like the squash, they don't want their roots to be disturbed. So what we want to do is we want to take, this is a hill, there's 4 plants in it. We want to take this, we want to turn this upside down, and we just want to push that, give it a little squeeze. And we do not want to disturb these roots. We do not want to divide this at all. We're going to plant it just as a hill, like that. And I wish you guys could smell this, because it smells like a fresh cucumber, like one that's ready to eat. It's interesting how the whole plant has that fragrance. So we're just going to drop that whole thing right down in the ground. And we're going to put the soil back. And then we're going to want to water this in real good. And this cucumber plant's just going to sit here for a couple weeks and grow some roots. And then all of a sudden the tops will start growing. So we're just going to let that be there. The cilantro can be in around it. And we'll just keep the cilantro picked so that it's not interfering with the cucumber growth. And it doesn't really matter how close I put these together right now, because when we get them trellised, we will start to decide which direction that they're going to go with the strings. So these will be trellised up probably about 5 feet tall, which is pretty nice. All right, so there's 4 in there. Now these next 2 pots, they only have 1 plant each, and so I'm going to put both pots into this hole so that we give both of them a chance. We'll just see how they do. Okay, cucumbers are in. And the next thing we want to do is to get some water on them so that we get rid of the air bubbles that are around the roots. Those air bubbles can kill the roots, and we want to give the plant the best chance that we can. So we're going to give it just a little bit of a soak here, just as we put them in. Whoop, that's a squash. We have a nice cloudy day today, so I'm not having to put shade cloth on this. But if it was hot and sunny, I would definitely drape my shade cloth over the top of the cold frame here, just to give these guys a little break from the sun. If you are coming directly out of the house, you will need to harden off your cucumbers to the sun. But whereas we're going from the greenhouse to the greenhouse, we're okay with this. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9. And if you would like to follow these cucumbers for the whole season, you want to jump into the show. It's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.